Look at this. We are driving with high beams, yeah, because who knows, maybe there is a moose somewhere, yeah. Some guys were writing in comments that in Sweden you are driving as long as you can using high beams, because you might hit a moose, and that kind of moose is basically 600 kilograms, yeah. I guess that I do not recommend, yeah. I still have 58 kilometers to this ferry boat, and I think we can make it. I think so. Oh my god. 8 degrees outside. It is just crazy. Yeah, 8 degrees. Not minus, not minus. Normal 8. It's crazy. 7 p.m. Okay, so look at this. We are very close to this ferry boat. Yeah. I can already see those big buildings in front of me, and yeah, it's basically like 2 kilometers and that's it, yeah, and we are here. Just 2 kilometers, and it's 7:45 p.m. That's very good time. Yes, look at this, 7:48 p.m. and we are here. Yes, I have to go to the parking because I have to go to office to take my ticket. Yeah, that's the parking. The ferry boat is in front of us. Yeah, nice. It is already waiting. Okay, I will try to park as close to office as possible, because if not, then holy shit, there's a lot of walking. Okay, so as you can see, we are going, yes, 8:29 p.m. I'm approaching the ferry boat, yes. The lane number is going to be 7 for me. It is going to be 7. The lucky number, right. Where is it? I will bet that it's here. Yeah, indeed, 7 is here. 777. That's my lane. Hello and welcome. Look at this. 7 a.m. Thursday, and we are in Poland here. I will show you. Look, yeah, we are in Poland, in Gdynia. Still on the ferry boat, yeah, still on the ferry boat. I was not recording the boarding time because it was basically the same as before, yeah. It's always the same. Oh my god. And we are going somewhere. I still don't have internet, yeah. And probably I still don't have GPS. Yeah, we have to wait. But we are going to a company something like 200 kilometers away for unloading, and then I'm going to my company and I'm going home. That's it, you know, that's it. That was a long month, you know, that was a crazy month. So many countries. Yes, we are leaving the ferry boat, just like that. Oh my god, finally on the land, you know, on the land. Oh. After 10 hours of sailing. It feels good to be on the land, yeah, it feels good. Yeah, let's go. Interesting machines, you know, to transport trailers, yeah, to ferry boat and from ferry boat. Okay. I would say that let's get the fuck out of here, yeah? Let's get some road. Yeah, I want some road, look. Nice, nice. Yeah, give me road here. Move here, start. Yeah, 150 kilometers. Seriously, 150 kilometers. I thought that it's going to be 200. Seriously. But it is just 150. Okay. Let it be. Even better. But still, after unloading I have to drive across Poland, you know, to my company and to home, so it will take a whole day. Yes, and that's the exit from this ferry boat area. Finally. Okay, so hello and welcome 24 hours later. Yes, we had some problems, some complications. I had to wait 24 hours. Yeah, it is how it is, yeah. It is how it is. But we are going, yeah. It's basically 7:40 AM. We are going. I have 156 kilometers to this company. I had to wait at the ferry boat area, yeah, so it's basically the same area, you know, as before. The same road. I will overtake him because it is LT driver, yeah. You always have to overtake LT drivers, yeah, because they are like mobile roadblocks, yeah. Seriously. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the highway, finally, yes, almost 9 AM. I still have 100 kilometers from here for unloading, and that's it, you know. After unloading, I will take the same highway across Poland, yeah. Okay, so look at this. I have to take this exit from the highway because the next exit that I'm supposed to take is closed. So I have to take this one. Yeah, and from here I will have 40 kilometers using country roads to this company. Unfortunately, yeah. It is how it is, yeah. Because like I'm supposed to take this one, but this one is closed. So yeah. Okay. As you can see, we are using country roads. Yes, I still have 28 kilometers to this company. Roads are good, yeah, those roads here are good. I mean the tarmac, yeah. Okay, we are stopping. I wonder why, yeah, because maybe traffic lights, Probably traffic lights, because we don't have railways, yeah. Or maybe this traffic is up to this roundabout? I don't know, maybe. Look at this, we have beautiful, beautiful colors of the trees, yeah, beautiful autumn in Poland, yeah. Crazy, just crazy. And that's the highway in front of me, yes. That's the place where I was supposed to exit the highway, but it is just closed because of roadworks, yeah. And from here I have 21 kilometers. Yes, 21 kilometers to this company. Finally. I have just 6 kilometers to this company, and it's very windy. I think that you can hear. It's very, very windy. Disgusting. But, you know, that's a nice view. Nice. I like it. Yeah, I hope that they will unload me fast, because from here we still have a lot of hours of driving to my company, to home. As you can see, maximum 10 tons per axle, which is okay. And we are almost here, yeah, just 600 meters. I hope that that's the right gate, because you have basically 4 different gates, yeah, in this company, but probably that's the right one. Probably. Okay, we have railways. Are we stopping? Yeah, we're not stopping. It's empty. Okay, and we have to enter probably somewhere here. If you are wondering what is happening, I'm waiting. Look at this. I'm waiting 8 hours 48 minutes already for this unloading. Yeah. And I will probably wait something like 30 minutes, probably maximum 1 hour longer. And right now it's just after 7 p.m. Very shitty situation, but there is nothing what I can do about it. Hopefully I can unload something like 9 p.m. and I will drive like half of the night to my company, to home, yeah. So maybe, if I will be lucky, maybe I will catch some sleep, you know. Yeah, maybe. Look at this. Plenty of trash. Yeah, trash everywhere. The guy is unloading.
Are you telling me you built a time machine? The way I see it, if you're gonna build a time machine into a car, why not do
We are going back to the future! Back to the future! Yes! We need to floor it to go back to the future. Oh my god! We are bending time on highway! Trying to get home during Halloween! Yes! 90 per hour locked. We are doing it, you know. Across Poland. That's it, I'm not slowing down. 90 per hour. And maybe some of you will say, Dani, but why you are working on Halloween? And roughly speaking, why you are always working, yeah? Even when other people are celebrating or having some days off, you are just working. And the answer is very simple. Because I have nothing better to do, okay? Yeah, like, that's the answer, yeah, like, what I'm supposed to do. I don't have a lot of close friends that are in Poland, yeah, very close to me, to go somewhere. Like, I don't have a wife, I don't have fiancé, I don't have a girlfriend. I have no one, okay? Like, if I'm doing something, I'm doing it alone, you know, by myself. And listen, and I was always working during my birthday, yeah, like during different like important days, yeah, and so on. I'm like, what I'm supposed to celebrate, yeah, like the day when my old problems started, you know, birthday, yeah. I don't know. But what I know is that we have 2 degrees outside, yeah, and we are flying 90 per hour. And I have highway for the next 150 kilometers. That's all I know right now, yeah. And then I will have country roads, and it's basically almost 11 p.m. I will arrive to my company probably at 5 a.m. or 6, but I guess that I will sleep 2 hours or maybe 4 hours on the road, because I don't know if I can make it, yeah, without sleeping. I just don't know. Don't slow down, Scania. Just come on, go for it. She was slowing down because she was detecting this car, yeah, that is slowing down here. Scania is smart, yeah.